How to create a Facebook page. Open the Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the drop-down icon that you can see right next to your profile name. Once you do that, you can find the option for Create Facebook Page over here. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create the Facebook page. Select the option for Create a new page. Tap on the option Next. Now you'll have to enter the page name over here. Make sure to provide a unique name. Tap on the option Next. Now choose the best category. You can see the popular categories over here. You can tap on it, or you can also search for the categories. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Once you do that, tap on the option Create that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to finish setting up your page. Enter your bio over here. Likewise, scroll down. You can provide the contact informations like website, email, phone number, etc. You can also enter your location over here. You can also skip it if you want. After you're done, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. You can customize your page. You can add your profile picture and cover photo if you want. If you want to do that, simply tap on the profile photo. After you do that, you'll be able to add the profile photo. Simply tap on the photo that you would like to add. Once you do that, you can simply tap on the option for next that you can see on the screen. Now you can choose to invite the friends if you want. Simply check on the option for friends that you would like to invite and tap on the next option. You'll be able to see various other settings for marketing and promotional emails and page notifications. If you want to receive them, you'll have to toggle the button on. After you're done, tap on the next option. Now you can see over here your Facebook page has been created. Like this, you'll be able to create a Facebook page. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.